Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the Household Essentials 5012-1 Portable 2-Tier Clothes Drying Rack Tripod, a versatile and space-saving solution for your laundry needs. This collapsible and folding indoor tripod clothes dryer is designed for maximum stability, making it perfect for drying wet laundry or hanging clothes. With the capacity to hold up to 72 garments, this portable clothes hanging system is not only multifunctional but also incredibly convenient, whether you're using it in the laundry room or as an extra closet space in a guest room. The newly redesigned arms provide even more strength and stability, while the adjustable neck allows you to change the height to suit your needs. Measuring between 70 to 77.5 inches in height and 26 inches in both width and depth, this drying rack is compact yet spacious enough to handle a variety of clothing items. Its sleek silver and blue design adds a modern touch to any room, making it not just a practical choice but also a stylish one. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to manage your laundry, the Household Essentials 5012-1 is the perfect addition to your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.